Today is Saturday, April 10th, and it's a beautiful day, and I need to go take my 79 Hurst Olds and get the title inspected, the car inspected, so I can finally transfer it over into my name. So this car's been sitting here since December, and I made a video on that as well, if you want to check that out. Just on an update about it, I put another transmission in it, another exhaust system, and a few suspension components, and pretty much have it ready. And this is going to be its first real trip out on the road, more or less since I brought it home from my buddy's house. That was right down the street, and I just want to do a cold start video on this. So since this is sitting since December, we'll see how it fires up. And today is Saturday, April 10th. So just put the battery in it, and got the title and the keys, and I'm going to get this car inspected. So we'll see how quickly it starts up, sitting for about, what is that, December, January, February, March, April, it's been sitting about 4 or 5 months. And I think I have the kill switch on. I put a kill switch on all my cars. No, I don't. Don't have it engaged. There it goes. Not too bad. I got to replace the headliner in this thing and put new carpet in it, clean everything up. Runs good though. Nice power windows. Sounds like the power steering needs a little bit of fluid. See if I'll pull it outside. It might stall on me. It's not warmed up yet. No, it runs good. Let it warm up for a little bit longer. Show you what it looks like in the sun. I do plan on selling this car, so check out my videos as I work on this car and complete it, get it ready for sale. Been sitting for a long time, even before I bought it. The paint's all faded on it. It's a nice original car though. See if it'll kick down. There it goes. still got to fix that temperature gauge. Everything else is good though. Charge is good, good oil pressure. Alright, here we go. Let's go get it inspected. Sounds good. Don't mind that rattling, that's just the catalytic converter shield I have not put on and it will not go back on. Alright, I'm at the dealership, get this thing inspected. Check out more videos on this car. Thanks for watching.